Howdy folks, Devin here with the Texas Urban Sawmill, and I have the star of the show sitting behind me. So I wanted to give you a quick intro. We helped support Davey Tree Service Company this week at a very difficult and challenging removal of a majestic and historical live oak tree. We've actually cleaned up the end of this tree and actually counted the growth rings. It dates back prior to the Declaration of Independence of the United States of America. So it's certainly a historical tree, and the type of trees here in Texas that we're trying to preserve and repurpose back into materials for other furniture makers to build some historical, genuine Texas hardwood furniture. But also, we of course build fine furniture products out of it, and we also can repurpose these materials back into building materials such as flooring, wall siding, cladding, etc., and supporting construction companies and architectural firms. So we're big advocates in this. I'd like any support that you can give us. Please share this information. We go to a great level of effort in saving these trees, and we want more and more people to be involved in what we're doing here in Texas. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy it. Tree dates back to a date of birth of around 1764, or slightly older than our great nation itself.